Next in the series is to understand what is energetic imbalance. We feel imbalance, unhealthy, when we have certain organic discord which is related to our physical, mental and emotional organs. We also feel uneasy when we have relationship imbalances between people, animals and plants or other living beings. We also feel sick or misaligned when our surrounding make us uncomfortable. Environment where we live in is not in tune with us is another aspect. Another constant which needs to be observed is your space, home and its balance, which we call health. So if we associate the body with the environment, we also connect human energies with the environment and to each organ inside the body. When we talk about organs, then we talk about each cell too. There are a lot of aspects which we sometimes call human in space, which is environmental intervention. If your environment keeps draining your energies, it's like having a leaky bank account where any money you are putting into the bank, such as by seeing or energy healer, keeps slipping out. You have to change your environment, including any harmful beliefs, before its energies can stay high.